Step-by-step beginner property investor guide on how to claim tax depreciation on your property. Step 1. Engage a qualified quantity surveyor. To claim tax depreciation on your property, you need to engage with a qualified quantity surveyor who specialises in tax depreciation, like us here at MCG. We will be able to assess your property and determine the depreciable assets that can be claimed as tax deductions. Step 2. Conduct a property inspection. Once you have engaged a quantity surveyor, they will conduct a property inspection to assess all the assets that can be claimed as tax deductions. This includes the building structure and fixtures and fittings where they qualify. Step 3. Prepare a tax depreciation schedule. Based on the property inspection and the information provided to us, the quantity surveyor will prepare a tax depreciation schedule that outlines all the assets that can be claimed as deductions and the applicable depreciation rates. This schedule can be used to claim depreciation deductions for up to 40 years. Step 4. Submit the tax depreciation schedule to your accountant to go with your tax return. You can provide the tax depreciation schedule to your accountant to claim your appropriate tax depreciation deductions. These deductions can be claimed against the income generated by the property, such as your rental income. Step 5. Keep accurate records. It's important to keep accurate records of all of the expenses related to your property, including the tax depreciation schedule, of course, any invoices and receipts as well. This will make it easier to substantiate your claims in the case of an audit. Step 6. Seek professional advice. It is recommended to seek professional advice from a tax accountant or financial advisor to ensure that you are maximising your deductions and complying with all the tax laws and regulations. In conclusion, claiming tax depreciation on your property can be a complex process, but by engaging a qualified quantity surveyor and following the steps, you can ensure that you are claiming all the deductions that you are entitled to and avoid any penalties or audits from the ATO. Keep accurate records, submit the depreciation schedule to your tax accountant, and seek professional advice wherever you need it.